This video is sponsored by SneakerImpact.com. Take a second, look in your closet, see how many shoes you got. If you don't feel like trying to list those shoes and resell those shoes and you simply want to get them out of your closet, visit SneakerImpact.com, hit the contact button or the recycle button, and you can begin your recycling journey. They will send you a free packing slip, and all you have to do, fill the bag, drop it off, and that's it. SneakerImpact.com. Check them out. All right, y'all, what's up? Usually I make a big production out of getting this box. Now, I won't turn it up because my address and the information is on the top. The shoe ships in the box that it comes in, because this is a company, and I'm looking at the postage here on the front. They're doing this last mile service, and this is from COMUNITYmade. If you guys haven't seen me talk about COMUNITYmade before, I always do a video of my COMUNITYmade shoes. They are handmade shoes, and this is the Molino. And I need to, I should have gone to the website so I could give you all of these particulars. I'm pretty positive it's a cup sole. The Strobel, oh gosh, man. When you compare leathers, it's always surprising to me that, and you can look at the inside of the box here, we are a catalyst for change. I always talk about COMUNITYmade, and I always get into these conversations about the company because what they're doing and what they're making, it's just light years ahead of all of the stuff, man, that, like right now, you can go to sneaker Twitter and everybody's losing their mind over a Jordan and they're talking about the quality of it. And in my head, I'm like, y'all dudes are really talking about quality. The insole of this shoe is from a company called Blue Maca. It's completely recycled. The upper is entirely suede and leather. And I'm not talking PU or slippery leather. I'm talking a tactile, tumbled leather. When you touch it, it depresses under your finger like butter. And I'm not just saying this. When you look at the tongue, you see how thin that tongue is. That is straight up leather. It's undyed. These are my white kicks for the summer. I actually have another pair. It's a Vibram outsole, but the name of the shoe is the Molino. And it's handmade, handcrafted in downtown Los Angeles. Now, this is one of the first pair that I've seen. You know, they always have COMUNITYmade on the back with this green pop. And here on the tongue, you can see it say COMUNITYmade. This is one of the first pair that I've gotten from them that does not have the word made in downtown LA. These are also made in downtown LA. The difference between a lot of the videos I do on here, I'm keeping these. These are mine. And I will do an Onfoot. This thing is lined with a leather, a premium leather. It has a reinforced heel counter, and then it has a leather strip around the heel cup back here at the back at the counter. I need to get to the close-up because I can talk about it all day. I love this kind of sail look to the outsole. There's no style code. The SRP of it is, how much did I pay for these? $295, $275. I have to look it up. It'll be next to me in the little balloon that tells you how much the shoe costs. And I know you guys are like, man, you paid that much? Dudes, you guys, behind my head, you see the Jordan 1s. You guys pay much more than that in resale for a shoe that everybody has. This thing has leather laces, a Blue Maca insole, and when I tell you that the materials are perfect, I'll try it on. I'll do an on-foot. I'll get to that right now. So let me just quit talking and get to it. 1 second. Now, first things first, I want you guys to get a chance to look at the medial shot of the shoe. And I am going to move this up. It's perforated here at the mid part of the shoe on the medial and the lateral side. And this is the medial side, that's the lateral side. But you see these folds of suede here, and you can see the quality of the leather. And I'm going to touch it. Remember, I like doing this on Jordan 1s because we tend to say, oh, that's got great leather on it. And the way I'll show you how something crinkles under your finger, and you can see how soft the leather is, this means that the break-in time of this shoe is going to be nil. You're not going to have any break-in time, but look at the touch on that leather. Oh, man. Leather laces, suede tongue. It is perforated on the side, so it has a bit of breathability. I can rock it in the summer. Once again, it has that blue maca insole, which is 85% recycled material, which is like the most in the sneaker industry. I'm giving you a look at this heel. So you can see the Community Made logo up the back of the shoe. You can also see the quality of the leather on your pull tab, and that's a functional pull tab. I don't have to pull it apart or anything. I can just put my finger in it, and I can let it hang. And you can see the Vibram outsole. I'll move that this way so you can see it. I know that we kind of go bananas over Air Force Ones, all white Air Force Ones, things like that. But for the life of me, I don't understand how we can continuously buy these super expensive shoes when we have this kind of quality available. And even though it's priced, it's a premium price shoe. It is. I understand it, and I know it's not for everybody. But you get what you pay for. And if these happen to tear apart on me, I can send them back to the company, right? And they'll repair them. So I basically get a shoe for life. I may be buying, I have a lot of community made shoes, so don't let me sit up here in front. I'm going to try these on. I just wanted to make sure you guys got a chance to look at this close up and see what the shoe looks like. Because in many instances, we don't get to see real quality. We tend to think that a Jordan 1 OG is quality leather. And I think, it's really important for me to start explaining to you guys what quality, you see this, that is leather. That's real leather. And it was made to order, which means it took a couple of weeks for me to get the shoes. Actually, it took about a week and a half for the shoes to get to me because they are made to order. They're not just sitting in a warehouse, taking up space. It's not shipping over from another country. You can see my finger through there a little bit. It's premium, man. This is master shoemaking, cobbling in a beautiful pair that I'm going to try on right now. All right, y'all. I got these shoes sitting here. I have on my Community Made Westsiders. I'm going to pop these off, and these are always difficult to take off. You have to loosen them up. Here, Stance socks. Community Made Westsiders, that's what these sky blue shoes are. And I'm putting on my Community Made Molinos. Now with leather laces, you have to loosen them up to get them off. So let's drop those over here. And I got paper in the toe of these. So let me get this paper out. And this is my first time putting these on. So here we go. Nice and snug. Definitely my go-to summer shoe. That paper out of this one. Move that box out of the way. Oh, okay, good. Only a little bit of paper there. Yo, I'm feeling these. Obviously, I'm feeling them. I bought them. They're light, they feel good. Like I said, no break-in time. They're not hurting over my instep. It's that heel profile, not oblique. I think I'll take this all the way down, the camera down, so you can get a better look at them. 1 second. Wanted to make sure you got a better look at these joints and trying to make sure the angle is right because I definitely like this shoe. No break-in time. It feels super good. So I know somebody's like, you creasing them, son. No, not really. Because they don't even crease, man. The leather is suede, is so soft. All right, I think that's it. I'm gonna take a couple of shots with these joints on foot. And I'm gonna wrap this up. Hopefully you appreciate the video. I didn't go overboard with this one, but these are definitely my summer joints. Community Made Molinos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.